Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Rogers.
I'm Isaac Lara.
And I'm Kieran Buckingham.
And
This is our money Roomba.
Here we have our money Roomba. The different components of it consist of the wheels, which these ones are primarily responsible for moving it forward. This wheel right here is for the collection of the money. These flaps right here help grip the dollars and feed it right here into this collection chamber where the money is stored. Right here we have our color sensor that helps detect the money. And here is a button that allows us to detect walls. Finally, we have the flaps here that help funnel the money into the collection wheel, where it eventually will land into the collection chamber.
so now we're going to demonstrate when it drives over things that aren't money, like different colors perhaps. So as you can see, it's executing its moving forward command, and it should run the same command if it's driving over like a black surface, for example. So we'll demonstrate it with this mouse right here, this black mouse. So right here, it registers black when the black's over it, and it also registers red when the red's over it, as so. So this demonstrates that it only collects light coming from the money. Alright, now when the robot moves forward and comes into contact with the surface, this touch sensor, it registers that input and executes a turning command. So I'll demonstrate right here. I'm gonna press this button, which simulates it hitting the wall, and boom. This wheel rotates a lot faster than this one. That shows, so it spins, I guess.
Okay, here's a quick breakdown of how our code works. So we're using 3 motors. M1 and M2 are our wheels, and M3 is our action motor to scoop up the money. We're also using the color sensor and the touch sensor. We start with a beep, turn left equal to true, and count equal to 0. The robot starts its movement with its 2 wheels running, and then the action wheel running at a lower speed. If green, yellow, or white are detected, which we chose as our colors of money, the count variable is updated. We print a detection. The 2 wheels stop, run at a slower speed, followed by our action wheel running at a greater speed. The robot then takes a second and pauses, stops the action wheel, and then it starts its movement back up again with M1 and M2. If the touch sensor is pressed, the idle motor will stop, the 2 wheels will reverse, the robot will take a second pause. Depending on the state of our turn left variable, the robot will start by turning left, pausing the action motor and running 1 wheel at a negative speed and 1 wheel at a greater positive speed. This gets us a 180 pivot. Depending on the turn left to right variable, the robot will make a left to right turn, giving us the raster scan type loop. The robot then resumes its forward motion. If count equals 5, the robot shuts off. If any other color is detected, the robot just keeps doing its normal motion, and the color sensor is updated every 0.1 seconds.